Hi, it's Jess here at Sun Valley Trading Co. with the CowBoy leather machines. Today we're going to do a demonstration on what to expect when you take delivery of your new machine. Obviously it's pretty exciting. You have this big black box that's landed on your doorstep, and they're pretty heavy, so you don't want to be moving this too far. But if we start unwrapping, you'll be able to see what's inside. Yours will probably have more core flute than that and more bubble wrap. This is just a demo, so we're going a little bit on the sticky side. They will be well packaged when they're going on a truck. Also, some of them will come with the machine head in its polystyrene inside a cardboard box, if we've been able to fit it underneath the pedals here. This is your box with needles, thread, chain, all sorts of goodies in there. There'll be your thread stand. The head and the table are both screwed to the pallet with roofing screws. So to get it off, you might need a little attachment like this for your impact driver. In your box there'll be 4 screws, bolts for attaching the machine to the table. Since the head is pretty heavy, you may want to get someone else to help you with it. It's also a good idea to put the brakes on the table so it doesn't roll away while you're in pace. Slip the bolts in and then attach the washer and some machines won't sit there that balanced, and you need to hold them while you attach the bolts. This is the CowBoy 227 armar machine, which is on the smaller end of leather sewing machines. They're not only for leather though, you can use them for canvas, stiff fabrics, with foam in between them, webbing, plenty of other uses. The belt may be in the box or it may be still on the pulley. To attach it to the machine, if the machine has a head that tilts back, just undo this fastener here and tilt the head back. Otherwise, you might need to do it before you put the bolts. The belt just goes into this groove and the pulley on the head, and down here in the speed reducer there's also a groove for the belt to sit in. It should be all adjusted right from when we've tested it, but if something has moved in transit, the belt may not be tight and you'll need to adjust it at the speed reducer. I'll do a specific video on adjusting the speed reducer though. In your box there will also be a chain for attaching the pedal to the lever for lifting the foot, if that's specific to your machine. We'll just drop the chain down this hole here towards the lever, the foot pedal, attach it to this lever here, which joins down here to the presser foot, and then underneath just lift the pedal to a fairly upright position. And attach it with the S. Some of them will come with D-shackles for this. The bobbin winder sits beside the machine. The screws will already be in the table. Need to take them out. And slip the bobbin winder on there. It has these slots so that it's easily located. You need to have it in a position when it's on, this wheel has pressure against the belt, because that's how it's driven. So something like that should be alright. Should be fine. The thread stand will come with your machine. It'll be packaged up. It's been disassembled into two pieces for packaging. This part is the part that goes into the table. The hole for it is this big hole on the back right hand corner. So the one washer and the other washer on top. Sit it down there tight. Put washer and nut underneath. And do it up tight. You might want to use a spanner or a shifter just to get it tight. And then this one just goes in here. And this screw here, it's tightened up. Then you can put your thread on. We'll do a specific threading video, but in general it just goes up here. Then your machine will come with some thread on it so you can get the picture of the pattern. Basically it just goes over here. And then a few loops around here. Then we go over this tension disc and then around this tension disc to the thread take-up lever. And then back down again towards the needle. We go through this little hole at the top of the needle clamp. And then through the needle from left to right.